Hi, sneaker family. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to another episode. This channel is all about tips, tricks, and more on keeping your sneakers looking as good as new. As you guys can see from the footage today, we will be working on this pair of Jordan 13s. I forgot to ask the backstory on these, but clearly it seems like someone had fun and a lot of mud was involved. So today we'll be taking a look at this and seeing how we can bring them back. Here's a closer look at what we will be dealing with today. As you guys can see, we are dealing with a delicate fabric, so that means that we will want to proceed with caution when cleaning these. As you guys can see that the mud is pretty dry, so we're going to use this knife to try to chip away a lot of the dirt from this delicate material. Be as gentle as you can with this process because you don't want to fray that material. Based on the material that we are dealing with, guys, I will say it's levels to this, so please be patient. So we have used the knife to chip away at a lot of the mud. Now we're going to go in with a brush to try to remove what is left before cleaning the shoe. As you guys can see from this footage here that those two methods work, especially on this delicate material. The material isn't frayed and the mud is actually coming off of it pretty easy. We are still focusing on the midsole of the shoe, and because this section of the shoe, it has ridges in it, that can make it a little stubborn for the dirt to get stuck there. So here we are going to use a brass brush to try to break down the dirt in these areas. This method is working pretty well. As you guys can see, it is removing a lot of that trapped dirt. This is our second brush using in our third tool. So like I said, it is levels to this. So bear with us. Let's move along. We will call this a very satisfying commercial break. You guys enjoy. Let's get into this. So this is our very own sneaker cleaning solution. Guys, please don't worry. It will be available to you very, very, very soon. And we definitely love and appreciate the excitement around it. Let's get back into the video, guys. Look at how well it is lifting the dirt up. So mind you, we have used 3 different tools to actually remove the dirt from this surface. And look at how easily it's being removed. Very, very, very impressive. Like very, very, very impressive. We are so excited to get this product into you guys' hands and homes. If you are excited, definitely drop a comment below. Maybe like leave some fire signs because it's fire. In literally seconds, we went from oops to wow. Now that the midsoles are clean, we are free to clean the uppers of the shoe. We're definitely going to get into like those insoles just to make sure that that white bounces back. The uppers of the shoe, they were not bad at all. So as you guys seen, cleaning them was a breeze. This shoe doesn't have a lot of noticeable oxidation, but we're still going to go in with our Deox product with a sponge and go ahead and clean the mods of this shoe. Let's have a full look now that the cleaning is done. As you guys know, we went through many different layers of cleaning this shoe just because we are dealing with a delicate fabric. We got to test out the sneaker solution. As you guys can see, it very easily lifts dirt from any surface, I would say. And this is the results. This is the before and after of just us cleaning the shoe. It is very necessary to proceed with caution when you are dealing with delicate materials. As you guys know, you can never have too many tools in your toolbox because you never know what may come in handy, as we use 3 to 4 different tools to actually remove the mud from this shoe. And all in all, the results are great. Honestly, you would have never known that this shoe had a wild night out and that it was covered in mud before cleaning it. This wraps this episode up, guys. Definitely let us know down in the comments below what you thought about this episode. If it was something that you love, if it was something that you would have done differently, let us know down in the comments below and leave those fire signs if you are excited about the sneaker solution. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe.